I am Grytjie Schreuder. I'm teaching at Ashton Primary School in Ashton. I'm a grade 1 teacher. Yes, connecting. The lesson I'm going to do today is shared reading, first additional language for grade 1s. Grade 1s, you can go to the mat for a nice reading lesson. I'll start my lesson using a puppet to get the children interested. Good morning, children! Grade 1s love puppets. They love talking to puppets because they love fantasy. Do you know what kind of animal I am? Cat. Yes, you are clever. Do you want to hear a story about my friend Pat? Yes. Then I'll discuss the cover page. This we call the front page or the cover page. Can somebody read this name for me? Justin? Pat and Matt. Yes, I'm going to do a picture walk with the children through the book. I'm going to discuss the pictures, what they see on the pictures, and make them excited. What do you see here? Lyle? You see rabbits? And what is in the tree? A squirrel, good. At this point, I will read the story. I will use facial expressions, intonation, punctuation to make it really exciting to the kids. Pat, the cat, lived there. She was a sad... I will bring in rhyming words because the children are able to identify and read 3-letter words. Pat was a happy cat again. Thank you, Matt. You are a very good friend, said Pat. Do you want to read it with me? After I have read the story, I will ask the children to join me spontaneously to read the story. Now and they will join in as they are able to. Deep in the wood was a small wooden house. Pat the cat lived there. She was a sad, fat cat. Please do not eat me, asked Matt the rat. If you save my life, I shall help you to be a happy cat, said Matt. Big books are not always available, but teachers can create their own big books by writing their own text based on what the children are learning and the vocabulary they know at this stage. I recommend you try this because the children will love the book if the teacher has written it herself. I'm going to close the book. You can look at the cover page and I'm going to ask you some questions. Where was the little house? Gail? In the wood, yes. I'm going to ask them questions about the story to make sure that they listened and that they understand the whole story. Yes, she wanted to eat him. Why was Pat the cat so sad? She was fat. Yes. What kind of food did Matt give her to eat? Daniel? Healthy food. I will conclude my lesson with an exercise that the children will go and do in their books. I'm going to explain a task to you now, and then you're going to sit at your tables and you're going to paste it in your books and do it. On the left side there are some pictures, and on the right side there are words. You must read the words and then connect it with the pictures. And then I made you a sentence. You're going to read it on your own. I'm not going to read it with you. You're going to try and read it and draw a picture that matches that. So now you can go quietly to your tables and sit. School must be always a safe and friendly place to be, where children feel wanted. It is important to be committed in everything you do and to prepare well for each lesson. That would make the children in your class feel very special, and learning will be an amazing journey. This lesson can be followed up by word and sentence level work in the following days.